They want $50 for this at the steakhouse. I picked it up at the store for $7. Let's see if the air fryer can turn it into something worth chewing. Here's what we're working with. A bacon-wrapped filet, pre-packaged and not exactly looking gourmet, so we're gonna give it a little help. Pat it dry, then hit it with some basic seasonings to really bring out the flavor while we preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees. Once it's hot, give the steak a quick spray of olive oil and in it goes. Let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping halfway through. Now, the moment of truth. Okay, wow, that actually looks solid. But looks aren't everything. Taste test time. Whoa, not bad at all. Juicy center, crispy bacon. This does not look like a $7 steak. 12 minutes in the air fryer and we've got a bacon wrapped filet that's actually looking perfect. Now for the real verdict. Insane. This is so good. Perfect texture, melts in your mouth. It might not be a $50 steakhouse cut, but for $7, this is a win. Need the steak? Smash that like button. Want more easy air fryer wins? Hit subscribe. Thanks for watching Mikey Conquers the Kitchen.